Dude, are you serious? This is the best we could get?
Oh, it looked bigger in the pictures, man.
It feels like something's missing.
I don't know, it's like so small, but like it still just feels empty.
Empty spaces fill me up with holes.
Distant faces with no place left to go.
Without you within me, I can't find no rest.
Where I'm going is anybody's guess.
I tried to go on like I never knew you. I'm awake, but my world is half asleep. I pray for this heart to be unbroken, but without you all I'm going to be is incomplete. Voices tell me I should carry on,
But I am swimming in an ocean all alone.
baby, my baby. It's written on your face.
You still wonder
If we made a big mistake, I try to go on like I never knew you. I'm awake, but my world is half asleep. I pray.
Man, I don't know what the fuck you boys doing up there, but I can hear your asses all the way from the first floor, and I know you all the way on the top. Keep that shit down. I'm trying to sleep. Collard greens.
Who was that?
I think we should go to bed.
Okay. I don't mean to drag it on,
But I can't seem to let you go.